Oppo Find N2 Flip to launch in India. Here are the details. Oppo's upcoming release, the Oppo Find N2 Flip, is set to hit the Indian market on March 13, 2023. This will be the first foldable smartphone from Oppo to launch outside of China, and it is expected to compete with Samsung's dominant position in the foldable market. Oppo Find N2 Flip Limited Edition Pass offers. The Oppo Find N2 Flip Limited Edition Pass costs 1000 rupees, offering buyers some discounts and perks on purchasing the device. Pass holders will get an additional 5000 rupees instant discount on payment via ICICI Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and American Express cards. In addition, customers can avail an exchange bonus of up to 5000 rupees. Oppo is also offering a no-cost AMI option for up to 9 months. The Oppo Find N2 Flip Limited Edition Pass is currently listed on Flipkart. The price will be announced on March 13th. Pass benefits can be availed when the device goes on sale next week. Oppo Find N2 Flip features. The Oppo Find N2 Flip sports a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate, 1600 nits of peak brightness, and 403 pixels per inch pixel density. Meanwhile, the outer cover display features a 3.26-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 720 by 382 pixels. The display has a 60 Hz refresh rate and 900 nits of peak brightness. Powering the smartphone is a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC, which is accompanied by LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The foldable phone packs a 4300 mAh battery with 44W Super VOOC charging support. Moving on to imaging, the Oppo Find N2 Flip features a Hasselblad-tuned dual camera setup at the rear. It comprises a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. At the front, there's a 32MP Sony IMX709 camera for selfies and video calls. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is equipped with dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6. The smartphone boots Android 13 out of the box with a layer of ColorOS 13 on top.